There's a simple question that is coming, that is how to make money with YouTube, how to make money online with YouTube. And I'm going to be telling you how you can actually do it. You see, there are many different ways that you can actually make money with the help of YouTube. But before that, let's go to your YouTube actually. Let's go on to YouTube right now, and we can see that whenever we come on to YouTube itself, then we can see something really amazing. That is, there are really amazing, you can say, options that we are getting. So right now onto the homepage itself, so we can see some images and some songs and videos and stuff. But onto the homepage we are getting like 1 2 3 4. Onto the top 4 we can see something there. This is a song, this is by Mr. Bean, this is a channel, a video, and this is again a song. So let's focus on this, and you can see that this is a channel known as Stroops, and this has got 6.2 million views. You see, there are two ways that from which you can actually make money with the help of YouTube. Number one is to show your face, and number two is to not show your face. That is with face channel and without face channel, that is faceless channel. And here we focus on faceless channel. Why? Because you might be able to make one video every single day, two video every single day. Can you make hundreds of videos? No, right? Not possible by any human. So what we can do is that we can actually hire other people to make videos for us. For example, here you can see this is a channel that is known as Stroops, and this channel has uploaded 2 weeks ago and has got 6.2 million views. And you can see it's like 4.09. So let's go on to the channel itself. So here you can come, and after that you will be able to see that Stroops, here you can see all they do is they actually upload videos. That is when sports players become heroes, and here you can see all these videos. Now we go on to Social Blade. Okay, whenever we go on to Social Blade, then we can see that this channel has got like 54, okay, has uploaded 54 videos only, and has got 343k subscribers. Okay, so we can see that this channel had a downfall basically. That means what? This channel is getting like 7 million views. Okay, this channel is getting 7 million views. And how much this channel is actually making? Let's go on to the calculator and we'll be able to see that how much it's making. For example, it's like 7, okay, I think it's 7 million, right? Okay, it's 7 million divided by 1000, and after that we get this amount, and we multiply it with, let's assume, $1 CPM. Okay, so this channel is making like $7,000 every single month, at least $7,000 every single month. Okay, so here you can see that this channel is onto the higher end, they are saying, according to Social Blade, which is not true basically. So this channel ranges from 1.8k to 28.9k. Why? Because Social Blade has this own thing. Let me show it to you. So it says that the channel ranges from $0.25 CPM to $4 CPM, which is completely wrong. Why? Because you see, there are different, the channel, the YouTube videos that you see falls into different categories. For example, there are some people who love watching cooking videos. There are some people who love watching investment videos. Now tell me which has got much more RPM, right? So RPM is the money that you get, that is revenue per mile. So the main answer here is that the money that you get higher on the higher side is on the finance, investment, business and all that, because the RPM is really high up there, because advertisers are ready to pay much more. Okay, so here's the thing. So how you can actually make a channel just like this? So for this you need some simple tools. Okay, so you can see up here that when sports cameraman wants to quit, and you can see comedy, sports, embarrassing moments. So you can see this channel is not uploading that much. It's like 2 days ago 0% sportsmanship. You can see 2 weeks ago when sports players break the limit. 1 month ago, sports legendary comedy moments, magical moments in sports. When sports reporter is so funny. Okay, so these are the things. They are actually getting some great amount of views, and it is really small videos. You can see 2 to 5 minute videos basically. Okay, so people love watching, and if we go up there onto the sort by onto the most popular section, then you will be able to see that 1 year ago this has been uploaded and it has got 23 million. Let's do some maths. Okay, let's do some maths. That is let's do 22 million. Okay, so I think it is, yeah, right now it's 22 million. Okay, plus, okay, so here we are, 23 million and 20 million. 23. Okay, so here are zeros. Okay, so I think, yeah, it's 23 million and 20. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, done. This is the amount that we are getting, and we divide it with 1000. Okay, so we divide it with 1000 and we multiply it with $1 CPM. So only this 3, so we can easily see that these 3 videos uploaded just 1 year ago have generated you can say $65,000 for them. Pretty amazing, right? And I'm not in fact talking about other videos like these ones. Like all these ones are also there that actually you can see. Not done anything, simple. So how you can do it now, hear me out really, because you should be taking it really seriously. So the way is very simple. The right way is, number one, is to get a script writer who is going to be writing a script for you, and you can use some freelancing platforms if you want, or you can use a AI writer that is known as Writer. I've given a link in the description, you will easily find it. And the second thing is, you can actually then need to use a voiceover artist. Okay, so let's assume that you have got some money, you have hired some voiceover artist. If you don't have money, completely okay, you can do it yourself. Or if you want to use AI voices, you can use some free like Clipchamp. I would prefer that. You can use Well Said Labs, you can use Spichello. I've given a link in the description up there. It's affiliate link. Okay, so you can use Spichello, and if you want to use I would prefer using Clipchamp. It's by Microsoft, so it's completely free also, so you do not have to worry about it. So I would say that don't use AI voices much, because you're putting in hard work, you're just starting by, so you do not want to feel disheartened. So either use someone that is actually a professional freelancer who can do the VO for you, that is voiceover for you, or you can do it yourself. The third thing is a video editor who can actually edit your videos. He's going to be taking all the clips, and after that actually going to be merging exactly just like this. So you can see all these videos, right? So a video editor is going to be taking all of it, and after that he's going to be merging every single thing. And whenever the video is done, now everything will be done, and you simply need to upload and then optimize. And whenever you do that, it's going to be worth it. Now you can actually do it, but here is the truth, it is really simple. It is not a get rich quick scheme, I am telling you. It is simple, I know. So what you need is a script writer, a voiceover artist, and a video editor. I know it's really simple, but it is not easy. So actually, if you want to lessen down the learning curve, that is, people make lots and lots of mistakes. If you want to lessen down the learning curve and you do not want to pay thousands of dollars on courses, I have given a link in the description, because I feel that is the right way that you can actually use. And there are people who can teach you this for some really affordable amount of money. and you will be learning, you will be having a great community, and you do not need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars for learning that.